Everyone needs a good toothbrush and toothpaste, but sometimes brushing your teeth just isn't enough to keep your teeth pearly white. That's where teeth whitening kits, like Cleaner Smile, come in. At-home teeth whitening kits save you both money and time, and the Cleaner Smile Teeth Whitening Kit has been developed by using a cutting-edge teeth whitening system to tackle stubborn stains and give you a more confident smile. The advanced, enamel-safe components were specifically are designed with 44% carbide peroxide to deliver whiter and brighter results. The Cleaner Smile uses blue LED teeth whitening to remove stains and discoloration from teeth. Blue LED teeth whitening is a process that uses blue light to activate a gel that helps to break down stains on your teeth. Cleaner Smile is a teeth whitening system that uses a unique process to remove stains and discoloration from your teeth. Before you start using the Cleaner Smile LED Teeth Whitening Kit, be sure you snap a photo of your smile so you can compare your teeth. If you have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe to get new videos regularly.